In-House Records.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another interior mod on the M3, and that mod is a pretty cool one I've been wanting for a long time, because what we're installing is a set of BMW M pedals. Alrighty, let me roll this little wheelie dealy up here, open them up so you guys can see what they look like. So here's what the pedals look like, essentially. They're really nice looking. They're brushed aluminum with a fitted rubber backing, and they just look awesome. I'm just so glad that I've got these now, because I really like these a lot better than the standard black pedals. So let's get in the car and I'll show you guys how to get these onto your pedals. We're now down into where the pedals are in the car. I've got a nice light set up, so hopefully this looks good. But first, before we can start to attach these new pedal covers, we need to take the rubber ones off that are originally on here. So they're just held on, they just clamp down onto the pedals, so you just have to peel them off like that. So here's the stock rubber pedals, and this is what the pedals look like with no cover on them. So we're going to start with the clutch pedal, because this is flat and made of plastic actually. This one's metal and it's got some indentations in it, so it's going to be a little bit harder. So we're going to start with this one because it's the easiest. So the first step of this install is going to be to mark where I need to be drilling into the pedals. So what I'm going to do is hold this pedal without the rubber backing on it, just so I can go through it. I'm going to hold it up to the pedals, and then I'm going to take this silver Sharpie and just mark through all of these corner holes where the holes need to be drilled. Alright, our points are now marked on both pedals, so now we can start drilling. Okay, so now we have the holes drilled, and I'm going to need to put the rubber backing onto this pedal, and once we've got that on, then we can start to mount it with the supplied hardware. So here's what the mounting hardware looks like. It's just a little screw. It's got a hex head, and you just put a nut and a washer on the back once you put it on here. And it actually comes with a little hex key that fits it, so you can tighten them on. Yeah, I'm pretty happy that they supplied these with the pedals. So let's get this first pedal on here now that we have the holes drilled. Alright, there we go. That looks really good. These aren't all the way tightened down. I'll tighten these all down at the end, but just to get them all on first is the main goal. So let's move on to what I think is going to be the hardest pedal, and that is the brake pedal. So I don't know if you guys can see this super well, but the brake pedal is actually made out of metal, and it's got kind of like a ribbed surface, so that's going to make our job a lot harder for this pedal. But I marked the holes and they seem to be in the grooves, so hopefully that helps. We did it. We finally got the pedals on, and they look amazing. That was really hard. There were a couple of these spots down on the pedals where it was really hard to get the washer and nut on the back of it, especially in the bottom right corner of the throttle. But yeah, it was well worth it because these pedals look super awesome. If you guys have any questions about the install, make sure to leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more mod videos, driving videos, car show videos, motorcycle videos, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, enjoy the road.